Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Cashapp with TD Ameritrade. So if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your account once you do sign up. But once you do sign up, you're going to reach a page that looks like here on the home page. Click on the profile icon in the upper right hand side, and then scroll down to where it says linked banks. If you don't see the words linked banks, it might say something like linked cards or linked debit card. What I found is that you do need to link your debit card in order to see the linked bank option. For my case, I am going to click on linked banks, and then as you can see, my debit card is already linked. So underneath that, click on link bank again, and then from here, click on continue, and then scroll down until you see TD Ameritrade. So if you click on TD Ameritrade, you're going to see a prompt to actually log you in. So from here on out, the prompts should be pretty straightforward as far as TD Ameritrade goes. And so with that being said, that is how you link Cashapp with TD Ameritrade. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your accounts once you do sign up. So thanks so much for watching.